Oh, naka-video na to.
Yeah, I'm going to clean. I will be an Amal. Transfer in Amal. I will be a cleaner in here in City Center. Body shop first. Of course, I'm a body shop person. Next in Debenhams. Of course, my auntie is there. So I need to clean the area of my auntie. Players, of course, they are my friends also. Unlimited to Mother Care, Milano. Everything, Alshaya, I will clean everything like this, like this. Cleaning, dusting. I'm a best cleaner in body shop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, mom! Cleaning! Thank you talaga, ate. I appreciate it talaga. Sobra. Thank you.
Best in admin daw. Best in.
Cleaner.
Ato na sa blessed in sales.
Sing-sing na pala, girl.
Ano masasabi mo, ma'am? Sa reaction ng staff mo.
Hindi niya ako naiintindihan eh. What I mean is that,
Sige, tagalogin mo para mas maintindihan namin.
ay nako. You know, in charge of everything, in every area. That's what I mean. I'm not saying you are a cleaner. Because, you know, it's still, there is a places for them to clean. There's their area of responsibility.
Girl, best in math ka na, best in cleaning ka pa.
All I am saying is this, in charge of everything.
Sa math, ako.
Ako.
Sa English, ako.
Pati linis ako, pare.
Aray ko. Kalas na din.
Puro ako. Ako. Ako na lang ng ako.
Bilang may corona ako, mas may sash ako, best cleaner. Best and cleaner. Cleaner of the month. Ya Allah.
We have to sell.